What's up, guys? We got part 3 of the Sprinter van build series, and it starts now. Let's get it. Alright guys, welcome to part 3 of the build series. Let's take a walk around the van and see what we got accomplished this week. Alright guys, so first thing I got accomplished was the top shelf headliner rack, I guess you could say. Adding some more additional storage up there. It gives me right about 15 inches or so by 59 inches by 23 inches deep. So I got the curtain, you can kind of see it. I just need to finish it. Right now it's just got the plain wood. That's 3/4 inch wood. I used the angle iron from the rear shelves that came with the van. So I just used the angle iron off that and these mounting brackets going into this screw up there and then one up there. So nothing really spent. I had the wood on hand, and then all the brackets came from the shelves that were in the back, so I didn't have to spend any money on that. So that was kind of nice for me, considering that companies want to charge $450 for that shelf. Okay guys, as you can see, the top shelf cabinets are almost complete. Basically, structure's complete, everything's mostly complete. I just got to put the doors, and I got the gas struts, and I got the latches today, which I liked, so I'll be ordering more of those. And then that's pretty much it. I will shoot you a build montage of the cabinets right now. Let's do it. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. I appreciate you guys taking your time out and watching the video and leaving some suggestions in the comments. Hope you guys liked the video, and stay tuned for the next one. Have a good one.